This is 60 business ideas in 60 days. Today we're talking about starting a video production business in the UAE. Video content is everywhere now. Brands, corporates, creators, and platforms all need high-quality video, and demand keeps growing across marketing, media, and entertainment. Under this license, you can produce corporate videos, commercials, brand films, and promos, create music videos, short films, documentaries, and feature films, cover events like weddings, conferences, and concerts, offer animation, motion graphics, and visual effects, run studio filming, editing, and post-production services, create content for social media, streaming platforms, and online channels, provide drone filming, cinematography, and virtual reality video services. Let's talk about where you should set up. Your focus is editing, animation, post-production, or digital content creation. Free zones are a strong fit. Free zones offer lower setup costs, full ownership, and flexible studio or flexi-desk options. They are popular with creative teams or online-first businesses. Common choices include Dubai Studio City, Dubai Media City, Dubai Design District, Rakez, and Shams. For public filming, you'll still need the right permits. If you plan to film in public locations, cover events, or work directly with corporates and government entities, a Mainland setup is usually the better option. Mainland licensing makes it easier to get filming permissions and work on large, public-facing projects. Because video production involves filming locations, equipment, and content, approvals are part of the process. Depending on your work, you may need filming permits from Dubai Tourism or the Film Commission, municipality and civil defense clearance for studios and indoor locations, drone filming approval for aerial shots, education authority approval for content produced in schools, venue permissions for hotels, events, or private locations. In terms of compliance, locations always need to be approved. Equipment must be handled safely. Content needs to follow local media rules. If you fly drones, approvals are mandatory. Opening a business bank account is usually straightforward. Video production businesses fall into a low to medium risk category. Banks usually ask for your trade license, office or studio leave, shareholder passport, and Emirates ID copies, a business plan explaining your services and clients, equipment invoices or supplier contracts, VAT registration if your turnover crosses the threshold. Here's your game plan. Choose where you want to set up. Select your activity. Apply for your trade license. Secure an office or studio space. Get filming and safety approvals if needed. Draft and sign your MOA if required. Receive your license. Apply for your establishment card. Hire your production crew. Open your bank account and complete VAT registration. And that's it. You're ready to run your video production business in the UAE. If this feels like the right move, we can help. We've helped more than 25,000 entrepreneurs start businesses in the UAE over the past 10 years. Fill out the form in the description and let's get started.